Look at this chicken. Hi. How are you, chicken? Look at him. He's gorgeous. The ladies are over there, guys. But he walked straight up to me. I was taking pictures of him. And he done walked straight up like, hi. Well, how are you? Hi. He is just like, check it out. Everybody's tripping like how this. Look at him. He's showing out for the camera. Now, that's what you call a star. Look at that. Hi. You see that? You are so on right now. Hi, baby. Hi. Look at him. You are beautiful. Here comes the mama or something. I think that's the woman. See if she creeping. Hi, you are so gorgeous. What are you doing? What are you doing? Look at him. Hi. Oh my goodness, you're beautiful. And you're beautiful. Look, he's walking with me. Check it out. Check it out. Look, I'm leaving. Oh, he's showing it all off. Check him out. Oh, you're gorgeous. There it is.